All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Hyundai Accent. It is the SE model, this beautiful silver with the black cloth interior, premium sound system, 22,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage to go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front driver's hubcap. Let's check out your tire in 1 second. Get this gauge out of my pocket. Alright. Tire thread is at 530 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this little quarter looks nice. Here's your rear driver's hubcap. And your tire thread is at 530 seconds or 630 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. I don't see any things, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. This vehicle does come with 2 keys and 2 key fobs. Boom. And owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details on that. Get your AM, FM, CD player, all that good stuff. You get your AC controls right down below. You get your steering wheel controls on this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see, see it has an airbag light and your mileage of 22,992. Looks good. Looks good. Keep the car on. Keep it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good there as well. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Your rear hatch here looks good. Your rear trunk space looks like pretty big and spacious. And they took away your owner's manuals. This thing has like some sort of run flat system, which it doesn't have the equipment. It's missing the stopper here, like this one has one. See it? This one does not. So you guys are gonna need a stopper, tie that into a knot or whatever. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. And your tire thread is at 830 seconds, it looks like. I'm gonna double check it. At 830 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front passenger seat. Front passenger seat looks good. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front passenger door looks good. Front fender looks good. Front passenger hubcap looks good. And your tire thread is under 430 seconds. Let me double check that. Just at the line of 430 seconds. Let's look at it. Focus. Focus. Boom. Just at the line. All right, folks. Headlights. Stuff is working. Everything is golden. Folks, as soon as my camera focuses. There we go, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Hyundai Accent, the SE hatchback model with 22,000 miles. If you guys have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.